Every area has this sort of a thing, and this is what makes the world go round. This is what excites people. People want to be in the know. People want to know what's hot, what's the trend. I don't care. It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter to me. For me, it's about this kind of stuff. Walking around, I'm not trying to impress anybody. You know, I'm trying to enjoy myself. These ladies are having fun here with their coconuts. And say hi. Hi. And now, you know, you have paella. You have a little bit of everything, guys. Interesting crew, interesting crowd. A little bit of a mixture, very international, which I love. As you guys know, everywhere we go, try to kind of like blend in. What's going on here? What's the hot spot? You know, but right now I'm trying to cool off, to be honest with you. There you have some fresh acai bowls, which typically you see in Brazil and in South America in general. We're not gonna have that today. Why? Because we're drinking Fat Tuesdays. Can't mix the two. But very, very fruity. A lot of stuff. Very good for this type of day, which is very hot. They have some tours here if you want to do jet skis and different things like that. And this is kind of like the outside area of Bayside. A lot of the smaller shops, but they do mix it up. You can get some jewelry, you can get some food. What else we have here? You can buy some gold chains, some gold bracelets. I don't know if they're real or not, but looks real. It could be fake. And there's some parrots there. Oh, guys, interesting. Interesting guy. He's got parrots. I mean, see a little bit of everything, guys. Here you have a guy with a parrot on his head, and this is, people are paying to put parrots on their heads. Hilarious, but it is a Miami thing, and it's the kind of stuff that you'll see down here. You get up close with a parrot. People are having fun. They're enjoying it.
Right here, don't like the blueberry, right? Give it a finger.
That is hilarious, guys. He just told the parrot to stick out the middle finger, and the parrot just did. Oh my goodness. I keep saying it, only in Miami can you see that kind of stuff. Only in Miami. Bubba Gump Shrimp Company. So there you have the restaurant, you have the store, you have a little bit of everything. You like shrimp? Go get some shrimp. Go get some seafood. Enjoy yourself. They have the same one in Orlando. Ladies dancing right here, enjoying herself. Hola, ¿qué tal? ¿De dónde son? ¿Colombianas? ¿De dónde?
De Venezuela.
No, mentira.
¿Por qué?
I asked her if she was Colombian. She said she's from Venezuela. Okay. Yo soy venezolano.
No.
No.
No sé.
Just having fun, guys. I mean, I told her I was from Venezuela. Everyone knows I'm not from Venezuela. Or am I? That's the question. Do you know where I was born? I bet you guys don't know. Put it up on the comment section. You'll get it wrong. I can assure you, almost 100% you'll get it wrong.
Your arm is in it. You do what I tell you? It will be all over. Hey. Follow my instructions. High five.
inside, the other inside portion of Bayfront Park. A lot of souvenirs. You want to grab some stuff over here. I'll show you we're in Miami. You can just grab something here. Got a little bit of a mixture of all types, cheap, expensive, a little bit of everything. But a lot of good stuff here that you can grab souvenirs from. Wooden for your fridge, whatever you want. It doesn't matter. What does matter is having fun. What matters is enjoying yourself. I keep saying it over and over again. I could go anywhere in the world and I'll still feel the same way. I'll still have fun. It really doesn't matter, to be honest with you. It really comes down to you. It really comes down to you making it fun. And I'm gonna say it, I could be here and have the worst time of my life. Or I could be here and have the best time of my life. I could be in Europe, have the best time of my life. I could be in Europe and have the worst time of my life. ¿Qué es? ¿Tiene alcohol? Oh, it has no alcohol, but we're gonna try it. Okay, gracias. All right, guys, check this out. Oh, está bueno. Gracias. Gracias. All right, so that was piña colada with no alcohol. You can add the alcohol, I guess, later, but I'm gonna go back to what I was saying before about enjoying yourselves and people talking about how a city is not up to par or is overrated. I like to change that a little bit, and I like to say it's not the city, it's the person in the mirror. Oh, look at these. I've seen these before. These are the evil eye. It keeps bad people away. It keeps negativity away. So you can put this anywhere in your house. And it's about all positivity. So it's keeping the evil out. I was just educated to the fact that this is Turkish. So everything in this store is Turkish. Is this whole store Turkey? Is this whole store Turkish? No. All right, I just lied, guys. Don't listen to me. It's not all Turkish, but it could be all Turkey. I don't know what that means, right? He's serious. He's not playing around. The evil eye, guys. The evil eye. Keeps the evil away. And here, again, you're tired of walking in the inside and you wanna just look at the water because, you know, that's why you come to Bayfront Park. It's not about being indoors. It's about enjoying the sun. It's about enjoying the water. Then you just come out here and within 2 seconds, you're back out in the water. Good yacht. Bunch of churros in there, and you know we love ourselves some churros, so let's go check out Churroland. Woo! It's hot. It's hot. That lady agreed with me. It's very, very hot. young lady. She's gonna educate us on.
Opciones.
Okay.
Tengo estos que son los regulares, tengo 4 por $10 y 10 por 19. Y vengo con una salsa de toque.
Ok.
Y tengo estos que son rellenos. Traen 6 piezas por 14. También viene con una salsa.
Oh, okay. Pero, okay. Raspberry es como la salsa solo. Tú compras el churro.
La salsa, pero no tengo raspberry ahorita, tengo solo el raspberry.
Oh. She doesn't have raspberry. That's my favorite. Okay, all right. No tiene azúcar, ¿verdad?
¿Cuál? Los
Churros.
Pues si no lo quieres con azúcar, te lo hacemos como tú lo quieras.
Okay. Let's get a churro. Okay. El de la caja, ¿cuánto es?
¿La de 4 o la de 10 piezas?
4.
La de 4.
We're gonna buy churros, guys. All right, we're gonna order some churros. She's gonna get us an order of 4 with no sugar. That's an option, by the way. Y esto es plain solamente, ¿verdad?
Plain viene con una salsa topping si la quieres.
Okay. Okay.
Solo plain, si lo quieres.
Solo plain, sí.
¿Algo más?
No. We ordered some churros because we had to. We're in Miami. Oh, gracias, señorita. And she recommended. I told her I just wanted to get plain because I'm not about getting adventurous, especially with churros. So we're gonna see what this tastes like, and we'll let you guys know. You know, the funny thing was, I was walking around, I don't know if you guys remember the video that I did in Hamburg, Germany, and I saw a churro stop there, and I didn't stop there. I don't know why, it just felt awkward buying churros in Germany, but here in Miami, I'm gonna eat churros because it does sound like a Miami thing to do. So, I'm gonna give these guys a review because, oh my God, I just dropped a piece of churro. Why did I do that? But regardless, I'm gonna give these guys a good review. Come see these ladies, Churroland, really good churros, and get a drink. They don't sell it here, but get a drink somewhere else. It'll amplify it. Guys, this is what's left of my churros. I think I'm gonna go inside and get a lesson on how to do churros. These guys are good. These guys are good. Churroland, Miami, Bayside Park. I'm asking her, ¿cómo se hace el churro?
Es que la masa viene pues mejor. O sea, cada segundo para que te diga que
Guys, the one thing I will tell you is friendly. Friendly is the key word here in Miami. Everyone is very friendly. I have seen nothing but friendliness from the vendors to the people that are walking around. Friendly, and I think in general, I've said this before, it doesn't really matter where you've been. In general, what you put out, you get back. And I try to be as open-minded, as friendly as you would want to encounter when you go somewhere. And I think it pays back. It really does. I think it really does. And I think in general, I mean, that was one of the best churros we've ever had. But now, was that a coincidence? Or was that because we expected the best churro? Who knows? I will say it's a combination. All right, so we're in Margaritaville, and we're gonna go with their version of the Long Island iced tea. Now, some of you might wonder, is that too much? Is that too much based on what we've already drank? And the answer is absolutely not. Absolutely not. It's a starter, guys. It's a starter to get us going, to keep that energy going. Here at Margaritaville, it's all about having fun. It's all about being tropical. It's all about taking what's already there on Long Island and making it their version. So let's try this and let's see what's going on. All right, guys, so welcome to Incomunicado. Loosely translated to, you won't be able to communicate after you drink this stuff. So that's exactly what we want. And this is what it looks like. Very tropical, very fruity. It's a lot sweeter than your typical Long Island. So we're gonna try it. Oh my God, guys. woo, that packs a punch, but it still keeps its sweetness. It really does. And she said she was gonna take care of me, meaning she was gonna really pack it in there, and she did. So I gotta thank our bartender. She really did throw it down here at Margaritaville at Bayfront Park in Miami, Florida. Guys, I feel actually freshened up already. I don't know if it's because I'm in the shade, because I'm drinking this Long Island, very fruity version. But just in general, just sitting down, I feel like I've recouped and I'm ready to go here in the next couple of minutes. Relax for a little bit more, and let's thank Margaritaville for helping us in this recovery. So cheers. Guys, so I think I'm done with Bayside for the day. We had some churros, I had a couple of drinks. I think what I want to do now is kind of walk down Brickell and see what we run up into. It's still a very hot day, so not the type of day that you want to just be roaming around the streets, except if you're us, because that's what we do. It doesn't matter if it's hot, if it's raining, if it's cold. You've seen it before, you'll continue to see it. We go through all weathers, we go through all temperatures. We're here for you. So yes, it does feel like over 110 right about now in the middle of the day. So what? Let's go do it. Well, here's something that we weren't expecting. The amphitheater, we saw it from the back side, but it looks like they're either remodeling it, or I'm not really sure what's going on, but obviously it's closed, so we can't take a look at it. This is as close as we can get right now, and I apologize for that, but we can't control that. I mean, the city has closed it now. That could be the new norm, that they close it when there's no events. I don't remember it ever being closed during regular hours, but again, I haven't been here in quite a bit, a couple of years, so that might be the norm here. Actually, today's one of those days where I'm putting in a lot of steps, guys. Ooh, catching up.